Hey YouTube, just wanted to do a quick video on how I feed my parakeets a quick treat during the day without having to get a bowl out or a hanging dish and doing all that work. You can just kind of clip one to a cage. So if you go to the store, bird store, they have little clips like this. Just open up like this. They got a little groove on the side here, a little groove on the side here. And you can just open the clip up, put your treat on there, and hold it like this. And a home remedy that I do, I just take a standard little clothespin right here. It has a groove here and here already built into them. And I'll just clip it right onto the treat like that. So it looks just like that. Then you take the clip here, those grooves, just stick it sideways through the cage, give it a quick turn, and hold right onto the cage just like that so they can enjoy their treat. And my little home remedy with the little clothespin here, you can just stick it in between the cage. You listen, clips right in, just like it was supposed to be made for that. It's pretty cool. So then they can just nibble on the treat that way there. And when you want to remove them, just turn. Pull it right out. It's right out here. Same thing with the clip of this from the store. Just turn, pull it right out, and the treat will come right out. And you can stick another one on there the same day or next day, whatever you want to do. So really quickly again, with my little clothespin trick, it's got the little grooves already built into it. Just put it right through the groove, wait for it to click, and it will hold the treat just like that. Turn it, and it'll come right out. So again, just a neat little trick to clip a treat to the cage, and very little work, and very non-messy, and a little home remedy. You don't really need anything but just a simple clothespin. Please subscribe and like if you like my videos. Have a good day.